Hi guys, Olivia here. So out for a run. Yeah, it's just before 9 o'clock at night. Very late, not been out this late for a run for a very long time. But this morning I went for a dip at Seaton and then had a barbecue with the sisters this evening. So let that food go down and then out today for my 5th run. I'm going to aim for 20 minutes, see how it goes. But really nervous today. I don't know why. Super nervous, but I've got Power of White Star on my vest, and then I've got my Rock Hay socks on, so looking forward to trying how they feel. As soon as I put them on, they just feel amazing and comfortable. So let you know what I think of Rock Hay when I come back. And I've also got my beautiful new Spy Belt on from Spy Belt, very kindly sent to me because they enjoyed my review I did for Run Deep. So yeah, just walk into the park and then do my exercises. Glorious evening, got the evening sun out, just dipped, there we go. Glorious evening sunshine, so yeah. So off we go. So, last 10 seconds on my run, nearly 20 minutes, and yeah, 20 minutes, feels good. It's still quite warm, but nice and cool. So, I've done 20 minutes, but I'm nearly on 2 miles, so I'm going to be cheeky and keep going. 198. So, now I'm being naughty, but 2 miles done. Ooh. Let me pause my watch. So yeah, as you can see, glorious evening out here. 20 minutes done, well, 20 minutes 47, but shush, don't tell anyone. Oh, that felt surprisingly really good. It must be my wonderful new Spy Belt. Look at that gorgeous colour, and my new Rock Hay socks. Oh my god, these Rock Hay socks, feel amazing. They're just kind of the right thickness. They feel super soft. Kind of nothing rubs. It's all really smooth. You know, there's no seams, and they feel quite kind of really nice and snug, but not compression snug, but just snug. That's really good. So yeah, home for exercises and ice. So today was a big thing for me. I think that's why I was a bit nervous, because I think Dawlish Coasters are gonna announce that they're gonna hold the Forest Flyer race. It was cancelled, but I think they're gonna announce it's going ahead. I don't know if it's going to go ahead on the normal date, which is kind of the first, maybe the second Friday in August, or a Friday evening, a 4.5 mile run at Holden. This would be the 3rd year of doing it. Year 1 was my fastest, I think, but really like that race and really love to do it. And it's flat downhill, and the last mile is uphill, which I could walk, so technically I need to be able to run 3.5 miles. But hopefully maybe it'll be later on in August. I don't know if EA have announced that we can race yet, but 20 minutes done. I don't know if it's achy or not. I think it's more my ankle. Because through the big field, it's quite potted towards the gate, pitted. So, and also today's run includes a bit of road, because to get from the nature meadow to the big field. So yeah, so thanks guys, hope you had a great Sunday, glorious weather, and have a good week ahead.